You're welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we have a quadratic equation that we have to find the value for x. So let us begin. Now what we are going to do, we are going to look for two numbers that we are going to multiply. It will give us minus 64. And when we add those numbers up, it will give us 12. So if you look very well, I know that 16 multiplied by minus 4 will give us minus 64, and 16 plus minus 4 will give us positive 12. So on that note, we are going to use these two factors to solve. X squared minus 4x plus 16x minus 64 is equal to 0. So on that note, if we look at this part very well, the greatest common factor is x. So x into x minus 4. X times x, x squared. X times minus 4, you get minus 4x. Plus 16 into x minus 4 equal to 0. 16 multiplied by x, you get 16x. 16 multiplied by minus 4, you get this back. So now we take these two numbers, x plus 16. And here they are the same, so we take one of it, x minus 4 equal to 0. So at this point, we are going to equate each of the brackets. We are going to equate each of the brackets, and it becomes x plus 16 equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. At this point, if we look for x will become minus 16 here, and here x will become positive 4. So these are the two values for x when we solve this quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, like, share and comment. This will only show that yes, it gives us the courage that we need. Thank you very much. God bless you.